Hi, this is Dansoy, aka Batman in the Kitchen. I'm bringing you a quick Italian recipe. It's sauteed spinach with olive oil, garlic, and lime. We're going to throw in some sea salt and some Italian parsley. So we have the Italian parsley, we have the spinach, we have our pot with the cover. You're going to need that. We have lemon juice. If you want, you could use fresh lemons. We have garlic cloves. I have a lot here. You just want to slice it. You really don't want to mince it, but 4 would do. And we have the sea salt. So I'll be back to you in a little bit. I'll get some of this ready. You know me, I don't want to bore you with the chop or mince, but today is really the chop, except for the Italian parsley. But this is a pretty good dish. This usually costs around $10 a dish in the United States. Sometimes they throw it in with grilled chicken, but it's expensive, but you can make it yourself. Be back, Facebook and YouTube. Alright, so we got the olive oil in the pan. You can see that. You just want to basically cover it. I used 365 olive oil. So just cover that. Next, you're going to want to just chop your garlic and throw that into the pan. And right now it's not on, but you want to just put it on low then. And then you can start putting the other stuff in. Alright, Facebook and YouTube. We got the garlic all cut. And with that, there's no real science to it. But you really don't want to dice it. If you want, dice it or chop it, you can. But you want to try to get cuts like this. Because in the Italian recipe, there's slices. Like, I didn't do perfect cut here because I wanted to do it quick. This is like 10:30 at night. But right now, I'm just going to put the stove on low. And just let that warm up. Yeah, let that garlic just warm up. And don't let it toast really. You just want it a little bit warm. And like throw in your Italian parsley next. Alright, so we got the garlic in there, like I said. We turned it up to medium. And like I said, we have the garlic and Italian parsley in there. So we're just going to let this warm up a little bit. Don't give it long, because after that, we're going to have to immediately put the spinach in and then put the sea salt in and put a cover on this, because the spinach will cook fast. You can hear it sizzling right now. Yeah, I'll be upgrading to 4K soon and getting better lights. You'll be able to see it. But right now, you can see the olive oil and the parsley and the garlic. So it's getting there. Like right now, I have it on low. So you want it to cook a little bit slow. This probably only takes like 10 minutes. If you cook this a lot, you could probably do it in less than 10 minutes. But just keep it in there and just keep stirring it, because you have that olive oil in there and the garlic and the and Italian parsley. So next step is to toss this in with the sea salt, and it won't take long with the cover for that to cook. Alright, so I kicked it up to medium, and you can hear it sizzle pop. So the next step is getting this into there, the sea salt in there, and we'll cover it, and then we'll open it really quick to throw a splash of lemon juice in there, and then we're done. You can make as much of this as you want. You can put it in bags and keep it for a couple days. Alright, welcome back, YouTube. Now we got the pot filled with all that spinach. So now this is the kind of the last step. We're going to put in some sea salt. You can skip this if you want, but it helps for the spinach to cook, and it helps for everything to bond together. So we have that on medium, and now we're just going to cover it. So basically just watch this for now. This will cook fast. Like with the cover on, it's going to steam and cook. I have the stove on medium, and when the spinach cooks down and it starts to wilt, throw in the lemon juice, and then after that we could just turn the thing off and just let it simmer for like 30 seconds, 40 seconds, and it'll all come together. But they cook this dish, like I said, in many Italian restaurants, and you're paying anywhere from $7 to 10. Sometimes, like I said, they throw in grilled chicken. You could do your own grilled chicken and throw it in, but it's easier to make it at yourself. But if you want to, there's a good company that makes good chicken breasts that are grilled. It's the Naked Truth. I use this all the time. So if you wanted to, you could have cut this up and you could add it to the spinach. So your imagination is yours, and do what you need to do and do what's best for you and your family. Be back. But we're almost there. Sorry this is not like an exciting thing, but you can see the spinach is starting to cook down. You want it to like really cook down and be like wilty, because that's the way the Italians cook it. Be back. Alright, so we're basically there. You can see that the spinach is cooked down. This is going to steam, so watch out. So throw that lemon juice in there. Kick the thing down between medium and low, and just stir it up. I wish you could smell this right now. Alright, so it's coming together now. You don't want to like overcook this, so just put it on low and cover it back up, but definitely watch it. But you can see like all that spinach cooked down, so if you need to cook for a lot of people, you have to buy a lot of spinach. Be back. Alright, so you can see how that cooked down. You can turn it off, and you can see that there's juice in there. So that's basically the spinach with garlic. You can see, like I said, how it really cooked down. But you can plate that and just eat it like that. Or like I said, you could add grilled chicken to it, because a lot of times it's grilled chicken with spinach. Or you can put it over certain pasta. It's whatever you want to do. But the main recipe is the spinach, sauteed spinach with olive oil, garlic, and lemon juice. Alright, so we're done Facebook and YouTube. Left with a greasy pot, and we're left with the sauteed spinach right there. And you can see like the oil and lemon in there. So that's the sauteed spinach with olive oil and garlic. And like I said, if you wanted to, you could throw grilled chicken over top of that, or throw some pasta there, like orzo on the side, or whatever you want. But that's it right there. You can see how it sparkles. So thanks for visiting my channel. Thanks for taking this journey with me. Dansoy, aka Batman in the Kitchen. You God bless. Be safe. Please subscribe and hit the bell for updates. I'll see you soon. God bless. Dansoy out. Peace.